This is the 6700 XT, it's got 12 gigs of RAM. And here's the inner box, and this card is great for 1440p gaming. It's got the AMD Fidelity FX, and again, it's got the 12 gigs of RAM. It's gonna help you out with those high-end games. And of course, it's PCI 4.0 ready. So these Radeon graphics cards directly from AMD are actually easier to get right now than the NVIDIA ones. So these cards are a good alternative if you can't get your hands on NVIDIA. They'll work just as well. And here it is. It actually looks pretty nice, well built. It's got that nice R in the middle there for Radeon. Go ahead and take it out. And it's actually got some weight to it. It's definitely smaller than my NVIDIA 3080 graphics card. It does have an 8-pin and a 6-pin connector for power here. It's got these two nice fans here. And yeah, guys, I must say it looks pretty nice, well built. AMD graphics card. Of course, it's got a back plate as well. Some of the NVIDIA ones don't even have a back plate. If you can get one of these like I did at retail cost, then these are definitely worth it. And let's take a look at the connectivity here. We have 3 display ports and 1 HDMI right in the middle here, third slot. So you have plenty of connections. It says Radeon right there. So it is a 2-slot card, but it's on the thinner side compared to some other graphics cards I've seen. The fans look pretty flush. You can see on other cards you have quite a bit sticking out with the fans, but this looks pretty flush all around. So yeah, like I mentioned before, this is a great card for gaming. You can also use it for other applications. Of course, it's got that 12 gigs of RAM, which is gonna be really helpful. You can even do some crypto mining on these when you're not using a computer for gaming. Get back some of the cost of the graphics card. So yeah, this card is definitely a great buy. Now, as for how to get it, I'm gonna tell you guys how I did it, and that's to buy it directly from AMD. I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description below. You basically have to know when the drops are for the AMD Direct graphics card drops. And those are gonna be every Thursday for the most part. And the time on Thursdays is gonna be about 7 a.m. Pacific time or 10 a.m. Eastern time. And what you wanna do is go to the website that's linked below, and that is gonna directly send you to the AMD Direct website where you can purchase these cards directly from AMD. It's not a third party like from Asus or XFX or anything like that. These come directly from AMD. They manufacture these. And what you wanna do is right before 7 o'clock Pacific or 10 o'clock Eastern, you're gonna wanna get on your web browser, click on that link below, and then you'll start refreshing your web page right before 7 o'clock or so, and then eventually you'll get into a queue, and the queue will allow you to solve a CAPTCHA in order for a chance to get one of these cards. And what you do is once you solve the CAPTCHA, you enter your email address, and then you wait in line, and hopefully you're one of the lucky few that is able to get a card.